everybody, day 2, so 3 minutes going on PHEC Proud Project. It's me, Sandra. So I want to say hi for joining me. Oh, that goes Instagram, love it. So hi, 3 minutes. So I have tons of topics. Yes, I wrote them while Bobby was talking, and I need more. So tell me what you want me to say or talk about when it comes to being a professional home economist. But my daughter Emily said, I think you should talk about mentorship. So, okay, that was on my list. It's mentorship. So mentorship in being a professional home economist, I think part of it is actually showing my pride that I'm actually excited, and that I actually think that there's relevance to the profession still. So for me, mentorship is really important, but it's also showing professionalism, not just in my profession and home ec and the way that we are as a community, and we really look at things as more of community sense, and that's kind of part of the holistic way that we think anyways. But I think part of it is in any profession. So being a doctor, a naturopathic doctor, a registered massage therapist, what I really like is the fact that we have mentorship, and I really think that's important. Being a professional home economist, we kind of have this natural thing, most of us do, it's kind of nice, where we always help each other. But what I really think about is it stands us apart from a lot of other professions, and we really have that naturally inclined thing to do, but we actually have mentorship. We really like that. In Ontario, we actually have a student one that's about to be launched again. In Manitoba, it's actually required. So I think mentorship of future professionals as well as new grads, it's like, what am I going to do? And you can't just expect your initial competencies or your education to get you further. You really need to focus on the fact that you need to actually mentor other people. And sometimes that's actually not just somebody that you might think is either at a lower level or education, but you know what? Maybe somebody wants to get somewhere else. Somebody wants your education. And I think that's important for you to be a mentor, but also understand that you can be a mentee. You can be somebody that you want to learn from. I've had so many great experiences being a professional home economist, or even just being a student. I got to actually go, and I always tell this story, I got to go to Marilyn Smith's house because they were making the cookbook, and it was so great to have that experience. I just felt overwhelmed. I felt like, I can't even believe I'm here. I can't believe I get all this experience. I can't believe they're so helpful. They're giving me tips. I can't believe I get to actually just see the background parts of it. So I think mentorship is super important when it comes to being a professional home economist. And that's what makes me also PHEC proud. So that's this part of the project is with 3 minutes, things that I'm proud about being a PHEC, things that I'm proud of in home ec. And I think that's part of just the profession. And it comes out when we're actually doing our jobs, but it's also in the community itself. So I guess topic number 2 is about mentorship, and so I think it's super important that everybody should do it in any profession, but I think that we actually really do it a lot being professional home economists in our associations and abroad, and I think that it's super awesome and that everybody should do it. So we always try to help each other get to where they want and their goals, and I think that kind of is the epitome of our work anyways. We help make, people's lives better. So thanks for joining me for the 3 minutes. I think it went by really quick. I don't even know. I should really probably keep a timer. But thanks for joining me. See you again tomorrow night, 9 p.m. at the PHEC Proud Project. Tell me what other topics you want, by the way. This doesn't count as the 3 minutes. Tell me what other topics you want. But other than that, mentorship's pretty cool, and I like it. So I'll continue to do it, mentor, and hopefully there'll still be lots of mentees giving me their wisdom too. See you later. Oops, it doesn't work.